When people see themselves in us, it's easier to influence them. It's much harder if they see us as very unlike them. Talking like they do is a very powerful reflecting tool. Most times, people don't notice. Other times, they often just see it as a compliment or a sign of respect. The importance of coming across like others shows up most quantifiably in hiring and voting. People hire those most like them. They support parties and candidates that fit their personalities. It's much less about skills and issues. In our daily lives, we see this when people highlight their commonalities. Influencing others by talking like they talk works the same way. It says we're like them. To find out why they won't notice and how to do this so they won't, go to my post, Influencing Others by Talking Like They Talk to Seem Like Them.